rainbow plush. Sit and scare Mike. I got my bubble. Because, watch. I'll show you.
Hold on, bro. She's gonna do a bubble.
Oh.
Almost. Hurry up. That was a big one. Go ahead.
Sit and scare Mike. Almost, Daddy.
Oh, there goes Bubbles.
There go Bubbles. Yeah. Archie, the scare pig. Oi, 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 oi. Art. I can't go back to jail. James P. Sullivan. My scare pal Foley. Okay, I just blew my bubble. Oh, look this.
That's why
There you go.
And that's why I'm the big
monster on campus. And that's why
And that's why
I'm the big monster on campus.
And that's why I'm the big monster on campus.
Yeah, and art.
All the way around. All right, nobody's head.
And Archie.
Hey, buddy. Hear you later.
Hey, buddy. Scare you later.
Boom.
You're silly. Your mouth is all dirty. Watch out, I can't see Brock. Okay, what else, Brock?
My skip pal Mike.
Hey, watch the eye, pal. Watch the eye.
And hey pal, watch the eye. And hey pal, watch the eye.
And Icebird.
You're from Angry Bird Space. And you do that one.
Here, Sissy, do your minion.
In a minute, have one eye. He's right on the hat.
What's his name?
His name's Carl.
Carl.
Carl. Yeah.
Let me see Carl. Let me see him. I can't see him. Carl. Carl. Over here. Carl, I'm over here. Carl. Down here. Carl. There you are.
Grouchy Smurf for the Smurfs 2 movie.
Grouchy Smurf.
Smurf out for the Smurfs 2 movie. What Zoe? Zoe? What's Archie? A monster!
Hey, anyone see where Carl went?
Right there!
Carl, come on, get out of the frickin'. Now where'd he go?
No.
Carl, come on. Enough's enough. Carl. Silly Carl. What else we got?
Comb.
Hurry up while Carl's occupied. Hurry up.
Comb.
Come on, who's that?
Comb.
Brock, come on, who is that?
Boo.
That's Boo.
Yeah.
Jen, where'd Carl go?
Comb.
Jen, where's Carl?
Right there.
Where?
Right there.
Carl? Don't you dare. He just likes to get his picture.
Yeah. Comb.
Oh my gosh, look at Carl standing on his head. Look at, do you see him? Look, let me, look. Carl, what are you doing? Alright. I think he's getting tired now.
Carl!
Carl? Enough's enough now.
Carl!
Alright, watch out, Jay. I can't see Brock.
Carl! Her name's Carl!
No, that's not Carl. Come on.
No, C-O...
Why is Carl... Look at Carl running around the yard. What is he doing?
P.S.
Where'd he go? Where is he?
Right there.
Carl! Carl!
Carl!
Alright, that's your hand, honey.
I gotta switch characters. That's R and that's Archie. I gotta switch characters. That is Mike and that's Zoe and that's Colm and that's Boo and that's Archie and that's Art and that's Smurfette and that's another Zoe and that's Grouchy.
Carl, come on, get out. What is wrong with this guy?
Who?
Carl! Where'd he go?
Right there.
Where?
Over there.
Carl, get out of the freaking video. You had your 5 minutes now. Get.
He's going to take a nap. Carl. She has a pearl, Mom.
Carl, please.
What's his
Hold
name?
on. Carl's being rude again.
Yeah. Like, what's his name? You get the material. You remember?
Who?
What's his name of?
That was made out of the material from Sully's chair.
Yeah, it's so it's just purple.
Despicable Me.
Carl!
Carl, why are you always smiling?
What did he say?
He didn't say nothing.
He said Despicable Me.
I think he's sending me a message now. Look at his hiney.
What are you doing?
I'm not doing nothing. It's freaking Carl.
That's Dave.
This is Dave?
Yeah, with 2 eyes.
Why are you talking like that?
Look, he has 2 eyes. Just like Zoe does, and Boo, and Archie, and Grouchy.
Oh, Carl! You caught him. Good. Keep him over there. Okay, we about done?
Not yet,
Come on.